Alrighty, hey there, it's Collin, Fett, your agent here with the monthly market update here for the month of January. So this update is going to be looking back over the numbers for December 2020, over the whole year, and then also we're going to look kind of see what that means moving forward into the next couple months and dive into the numbers. So if you're looking to buy, looking to sell, invest, hopefully you find some value in this and our local market and what it means for you. All right, so I'm going to do a little screen share here, dive right into the numbers. So first off, new listings, we're at 33 new listings. Total for sale, so this is total that are on the market for sale as of the first of the month was 84, down 16 from last month. And we were already low last month. I talked about market update that we are way behind what we were just sitting on the market. So I'll dive into those numbers here in a second. Total pending, we're at 58. Again, down 16 from last month. Year-to-date sales, we're at 734, and average sale price here in Ames is 267. Average days on market are 56. So diving into the numbers a little bit, I got my spreadsheet here. So first off, new listings. So some interesting things is, December historically pretty normal. We're at 33. We were at 28 last year, so on and so forth. Active is the interesting number. So we were at 162 last year. We're at 84 this year. So right about half of what we were sitting on the market coming into December. The other interesting thing is that if you look at the 84 houses in the market, about 40 of them are new construction or new construction. So some of those aren't even built yet, and so they're counting as a house, a unit on the market. And there's a significant amount that are just proposed properties. So if you're looking per the price points, under 200, for instance, I think there's 6 houses on the market right now. 200 to 250, there's 10, and so this 84 gets chopped up pretty quick into really low inventory in all reality. Part of that is because last couple months we've been selling more than that's been going on the market, so it's happened again. So 44 went pending, and we had 33 come on the market, so that gobbled up 10 more from what's actively sitting on the market. So obviously every month as we penned more than we put on the market, it's going to continue to decrease that on the market. What's that mean? I think what it means is that we're going to have a big increase in new listings. I think there's still a lot of people that didn't sell last year because of COVID, because the kids are at home, because of whatever. And this spring, I would anticipate we see a huge bump in new listings here, probably February, March. So normally we're 70s, 80s. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a couple months in a row that are close to 100. I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong, and there could be just people that said, we're not moving this year, we're not going to move, and that could be the case too. But those are kind of my thoughts on that. So moving to the next category here, absorption rate. So this is a perfect example. So what I was just talking about, we had 44 go pending, 33 come on the market. So absorption rate is if there were no new listings. So this last month there were 33. If there were 0, it would take 1.5 months for all of them to sell. So what's that mean? It's definitely a seller's market. We saw this where it was getting close to a month 2 years ago, I believe. I think I've got absorption rate. Yeah, I've got absorption rate here. So we've been, so 2 years ago. So in 2017, we were down in the 1 month range. We really haven't been in that range for a while. So statistically, it's saying that it's a seller's market, but our days on market, if you look at them, aren't quite what they were. So they were down in the 30s back in 2017. They're still close in the 60s. So there's statistically it's more of a seller's market, but a lot of that has to do with just not a ton of inventory coming on the market. So we're still sitting at about 2 months on the market. And that kind of sums it up. So hopefully, what I'm thinking is going to happen, hoping is going to happen. We have a mild winter, it looks like. Knock on wood on that. Vaccines go out, people get less scared of the virus and more open to letting people in their house to tour it, more open to moving. And I could see the spring market, and with interest rates still low, I can see the spring market being a very strong market if you're looking to sell. And if you're looking to buy, I mean, that just means that you have more opportunities, more choices. Right now, if you're in that, first time home buyer or move up buyer, which is usually like under 300,000, there's like 20 houses to pick from. So as we get more houses on the market, there'll be more to choose from, which obviously is valuable when you're in the buying standpoint to have some choice. So anyway, there's my 2 cents. As always, if you got questions specific to your house or what you're looking to do, I'd love to sit down, chat with you, and help you sort all that out. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.